Okay, hello, and we will be learning the Java Foundation. That's the word, yeah. So we're basically understanding the foundation of Java, and yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. In this video, whatever. First, we'll be starting off with members, okay? Now, members are like pretty much, I'll show you an example of what a member is. That's an example of what a member is, basically. And you have to implement it, and you have to put public here, by the way, for it to count. So this would be a member. This is an example, which is a property. This would be a property. Like how this is a pretty basic member. This is a void method. You have both methods and members, basically. So this would be a that would be a method. So this is a method, and this is a property. So I'm just going to get rid of that example there. But we Control S is to save, like always. So this is a member called a method. So, or actually I think that would be like an access modifier type of thing. I don't know. So last thing was members. God damn it. last thing was members. So now this is the access modifier right here, which would be a method in this case, which the method here, the thing that is a method is the void. That's basically a function in Java. And also Control Z to undo stuff like that. So if you ever make a mistake, remember that you can always do Control Z. And then also, if you do this sort of type of thing, then it won't even know what you're trying to do. And if you try to run this program, it'll do the same thing. But then it's like really bad with tracking this type of stuff. So, yeah. And it's not really clear of what you're trying to do, so. Why can't, forget it. Shouldn't have saved that. Okay. And then this is the static, which is another access modifier. And then you have the public access modifier, and then void makes it a method. So you're basically making a public static method main that has a string and an args added onto it. And then you have this. which is what you're trying to do. If that makes sense. And then if you copy it, well, that's copy this, I guess. Copy. And then paste it under here and then call this tacos because I'm a bit of a taco person myself. Ah, gosh, I punched my microphone. Actually, I think I uppercutted my microphone. Okay. So, yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And then you have the variable, which is, I don't know if variable is still a thing. And then var. Var is short for variable. Obviously. This is a variable up there. Hold on, let me just clean that up. And then you have x.tacos. Which it tries to do. Okay? It works. It works, but it's going to give you a warning, though. It'll make a warning, and then you'd have to try and fix that warning. But, hey, if it's a warning, it'll still work. It'll still work if you have a single warning. But if you have an error, it might not work at all. So, yeah. And basically here, you're creating an object right here. That's what you're doing. Right there is creating an object in that area. So it basically works. It works like this, okay? Okay, so now let's see if we can do a little, hold on, I'm gonna clean up the code a little bit for you guys. And now let's summarize what we're doing. So this is a comment. And basically, and by the way, classes contain members. I just punched my microphone again. Why do I keep doing that? Basically, methods do something. By the end of these tutorials, I'm hoping you become a true professional at doing this. And if you still need help with this, then I'm always open. I'll have my Gmail in the description. You can always go there. And maybe you can join my Discord. You can add me there all the time. So access modifier basically slash static. So basically no instance. I just punched it. God. Class is object. So basically, so yeah, that's pretty much summarizing everything in Java. Pretty much, I just summarized everything into comments. And also, those are mostly things I did not mention in this video, but I mentioned it in those comments. So, yeah. That counts. It counts to me, at least. Maybe not to you guys, but it counts to me. And then also, you have statements. Oh, God. Basically, that's pretty much everything. And also, if you had like a bunch of S's or something onto your main class, it will not show up. It'll throw an error saying that the main method has not been found in the class. So it's asking you to basically define a method as main with a public static void main, and it requires pretty much everything that's in there. Or you need a JavaFX application thing. Whatever. So, yeah. It's like 8 p.m. right now, so yeah, this is basically the function, and then the methods are basically functions. Pretty much to me, methods are functions in Java, pretty much. I use too much Java to know that, so yeah. But I'm just gonna delete this because I don't know if that is actually correct, but to me it feels correct to be there, but whatever. Hold on. I'm gonna end it here.